I started off as a rapper and an audio engineer years ago, so I can actually say I've seen it all. When I switched over to filmmaking, I had to know it could work for sure before I just abandoned what I gave my life to for over 20 years overnight. I wanted to match the quality of the shots that I admired, and I didn't. At least not on command, but I got kind of close here and there, but most of the time when I hit the mark, it was by mistake. But that honesty is more important than anything. The ability to keep it a buck with yourself is key to becoming a better filmmaker. You can lie to your mama, your girl, the police, whatever, but when you look in the mirror or you look at that footage that you shot, you gotta keep it a buck. Looking at your first shoot and saying, that's dope, is really like being hyped that you just did it. But let's be real, you know damn well it don't look like Avengers, Scarface, or Boys in the Hood. But to get better, we gotta keep it a buck. And study other videographers and their prices and their quality. Watch high-end films, BTS, and look at their end results. And do our best to match it. But if every time you shoot, you just say, oh, that shit was fire, and lie to yourself, there's no way to get better. There's no way you can learn what you think you already know how to do. So here's what I learned. The ability to take a dumbass idea and turn it into a dope-ass idea on the fly prepares you for every situation possible. That preparation builds confidence and allows you to execute like a pro. Recently, I've been filming a new miniseries called Diamonds Up, and to make sure I'm confident on set, I've been tweaking my rig a little bit. You know, like the weight, what's on it, how long will it run, can I go from static to motivated at will. I think I got it dialed in, but the only way to know for sure is to put it through the test. That's the journey of learning your gear and earning your confidence. As a solo filmmaker dealing with clients who have a dream and a budget, you gotta ask yourself, can I with confidence impress this client? And then ask yourself, can I with confidence impress myself? I ain't gonna cap though, when I leave a shoot, I always think about another shot like, damn, I should've shot one like this, or that would've been dope if, and that's healthy. But what stops these ideas from coming through, I think, is set anxiety. And that anxiety comes from lack of confidence, at least on my end. And not that I think I suck or I'm worthless, but maybe that I'm just not operating at 100%. Even if it's just 80, I'm encouraging you to walk into your shoots at 100%. A friend of mine once said, man, ain't nobody gonna see that little shit cool. You just beating yourself up trying to make everything perfect. And I agree, you damn right. But to me, a perfect shoot is one that's dope enough to shut my picky ass up. If I know I'm gonna bitch about it later, then while I'm on set, I need to fix it or adjust it right then and there. So once I keep it a buck about keeping it a buck, I always do a confident gear check and refer to my handy dandy Big Breeze cinematic cheat sheet. It's designed to help you methodically find and execute the most creative and cinematic results possible given any situation or budget. And if having a cheat sheet in your pocket helps with set anxiety and lets you focus on being creative, then why not? Because all we really need is a camera, 2 lights, and 1 mic to tell a dope-ass story. Download the cheat sheet in the description below and help me help you turn your brand up. And I'll holla at y'all in a minute.
Trinc Studios.